Okay, here we are, everyone. We're dividing fractions, and we are going to be using the keep, change, flip method of getting this done. So we have some steps involved in dividing fractions. Here's an example. Our steps are, we're going to change any mixed number into an improper fraction. Then we're going to keep, change, and flip, which we'll demonstrate in a moment. We're going to multiply where we need to and then simplify as necessary. So here we go. Step 1. So I have 2 3/4 divided by 1 2/3. My first step is to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So this becomes 11/4 divided by 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Next step is to keep, change, flip. I'm going to put a K right below the first, change right below the division symbol, and flip right below my divisor. So it becomes keep, change, flip. Now I simply have to multiply and simplify. So 11 times 3 is 33. 4 times 5 is 20. Can I get a group of 20 out of 33? I sure can. I can get one group. And 33 minus 20 is 13, so I have 13 left over. There you go. So 2 3/4 divided by 1 2/3 is 1 13/20. Let's do one more. This time let's do, I'll put a line there. Let's do 3 3/4 divided by 1 3/6. Okay, step 1. Change improper fractions to, or mixed numbers to improper fractions. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, so this becomes 15/4, divided by 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9, 9/6. Now we're going to keep, we're going to change, and we're going to flip. And when we do that, we get 15/4 times 6/9. If I multiply this out, I'll go this way. 15 times 6 is 90. 4 times 9 is 36. Can I simplify this? Yes, I can, because both of these are divisible by 9. When I do that, I get 10/4, which is 2 2/4, which is 2 1/2. Now this time I multiplied all the way straight across, but as we've shown, I'm going to go back here to this step. If I can cancel before I multiply, I actually make my life easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite 15 as 3 times 5. I'm going to rewrite 6 as 2 times 3. 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3, and 4 is the same as 2 times 2. Now, is there anything that's the same top and bottom? Well, here's 1 3, and there's 1 3. Here's another 3, and there's another 3. So I have no more 3s, and I have at least 1 2 top and bottom. And there's nothing that's the same top and bottom that I can cancel. So now, what do I have left? Well, I only have a 5. On the bottom, all I have is a 2. Boy, that makes that a lot smaller than 90/36. And then I can simplify this. How many 2's can get a 5? Well, I can get 2, and I would have 1 left over. So there's the same thing with canceling before we multiply. So this has been your video on dividing fractions using the keep, change, flip method, where we changed every mixed number to an improper fraction. Then we kept the first number, we changed from division to multiplication, and then we flipped the second number. This, remember, is called the reciprocal. Sometimes also known as the refliprical. That's not a real word, folks. But you can see we're flipping it over. Have a good day. Bye-bye now. Be awesome.